Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we'll be continuing with our chapter number 3, Entrepreneurship Development of a subject Organization of Commerce and Management. Before we continue, let's take a brief look about the definition of entrepreneur. The concept of entrepreneur differs from industry to industry, country to country, as well as time to time, and the level of economic development. The word entrepreneur is derived from French word entreprendre, which means to undertake. The Oxford English Dictionary defines an entrepreneur as the director or a manager who is successful in setting a business. Thus, he is an individual who bears the risk of operating a business and faces all uncertain conditions. He is the one who organizes, innovates, raises money, assembles resources, makes decisions, and sets the organization. So let's continue. Today we'll be seeing functions of an entrepreneur. They are innovation, determination of objectives, development of market, new technology, good relations, organizing funds, and taking decisions. Let's take a brief look at all the functions. Students, the very first function which we come across is innovation. An entrepreneur is an innovator who comes out with new ideas for production. He introduces something new in any branch of economic activity. It implies doing new things or doing those things already done in a new and better way. It helps the entrepreneur to solve the problems that arises in conduct of business. He gets satisfaction from using his capabilities in solving such problems. The next function of an entrepreneur which we come across is determination of objectives. An entrepreneur has to determine the aims and objectives of the enterprise. He should change them as per the required conditions or prefer those which are favorable for the business. Determination of objectives helps an entrepreneur to reach the goal easily. The next function of an entrepreneur is development of market. An entrepreneur conducts surveys and research. From time to time try different acts to develop the market for his products. This increases the consumer's demand for the product in the market. The next function of an entrepreneur is new technology. The entrepreneur acquires the knowledge of new technology. This helps in the growth of business. Working with new efficient technological equipments increases production and overall profits. It also helps the entrepreneur to be at par with global competition. The fifth function of an entrepreneur is good relations. The development of business depends on the efficient relations of superiors, subordinates, and all employees. This creates a healthy work atmosphere and adheres to the upliftment of production and efficiency. It creates good coordination among employees and have great effect on the success of the enterprise. The next function of an entrepreneur is organizing funds. Money is the lifeblood of business. To keep the business going and successful, the need of adequate funds has to be looked after by the entrepreneur. Continuous flows of funds is required. For this, an entrepreneur has to maintain good and honest relations with the existing and potential investors. Next and the last function of an entrepreneur is taking decisions. An entrepreneur has to take wise decisions to put his plans into action. Timely and correct decisions helps the business to run smoothly without any halt and hurdles. Good decisions are key to success. So students, with this we come to an end to our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.